Hey, so quick video on NV4500 manual transmission remote shifter kit. So I'm building a street rod here, and my shifter needs to be about 24 inches, 30 inches behind where the transmission is because of the setup of my particular street rod that I'm building. And in my case, I've got a 500 Cadillac sitting ahead of this thing in a 1-ton chassis. But I built a remote shifter here that you can see. It's got a control rod and then a cantilever arm, and then we come back through here and there's our control rod to another cantilever arm and our shifter. And this allows you to shift the transmission through all of the gears without having a lot of slop in it. I've seen a lot of folks do a control rod setup where they'll just bolt straight from here up to the transmission without this cantilever arm in there. And what's going to happen with that is you don't have real crisp shifts. So by putting the cantilever in here, our rotational movement of our linkage is very, very firm and consistent. So I haven't seen anybody else do this type of setup, and I haven't seen any for sale kits like this. So as I am a fabrication shop and skid steer attachments are my normal business, I'm debating whether or not I should put this together as a sellable kit, obviously refined a bit more. This is my prototype, but it would allow me to refine the kit and make this maybe a sellable product. So I figured I'd shoot a quick video here of my setup and put it out there and see what the feedback is. And if there's enough request for it, maybe I will build these as a kit that I can send to you. Because the way that I've got the rod set up here, I could make that rod any length and you can cut it to your size and set your pitch as needed. So anyways, kit price would probably be in the $3 to $3.50 range. $350, that is. But let me know your thoughts. If it's something you're interested in, I would be happy to obviously make a little better looking unit as a for sale product and ship it out. We're Minnesota Implement. You can find us at minnesotaimplement.com, and put a comment in our YouTube channel, or send me an email at info@minnesotaimplement.com and let me know if you're interested in a shifter kit. Otherwise, there's how I did it. And obviously I am not able to drive the car yet, but jamming on it in the shop here, this holds up real well and seems nice and firm. So we will see how it all works. Thanks for watching.